dive into the three Singapore blue chip stocks that could potentially double your money in 2025. These market leaders are reshaping Singapore's financial landscape, and their record-breaking performance is crucial for your investment portfolio. I'll share my analysis and insights on why these stocks have potential for growth and how they can contribute to your wealth creation. As your trusted guide in the world of finance, I've spent years studying the Singapore stock market and helping investors like you make informed decisions. Our channel's success is a testament to our commitment to simplifying complex financial topics, and we're proud to have helped over 250,000 viewers navigate the world of investing. With our expertise and guidance, you can make smarter decisions and potentially grow your wealth in 2025 and beyond. So, let's get started and explore these three blue chip stocks that could be game changers for your investment portfolio. This surge in the Straits Times Index is a significant milestone, marking a 17-year high, and it's not just a fleeting moment. The steady climb of 15% is a testament to Singapore's solid footing as Asia's financial hub, attracting a whopping $50 billion in new capital from foreign investors this year. This influx of foreign investment is a vote of confidence in Singapore's economic stability and growth prospects. It's a sign that investors are bullish about the country's potential and are willing to put their money where their mouth is. And let me tell you, this is music to the ears of investors like you and me. As the Straits Times Index continues to soar, it's essential to take a closer look at the underlying drivers of this growth. Which sectors are leading the charge? Which stocks are poised to benefit from this momentum? As your trusted guide, I'll help you navigate this exciting time in Singapore's stock market history. We'll explore the key trends, identify potential opportunities, and make sense of the numbers. With this knowledge, you'll be better equipped to make informed investment decisions and potentially ride the wave of this golden moment in Singapore's stock market. DBS, Singapore's banking powerhouse. The star of Singapore's banking scene, DBS, continues to shine bright. Their stock has been on a tear, reaching an all-time high of 43.02 and delivering a mouth-watering 42% return this year. But what's driving this impressive performance? Let's dive into the numbers. Their third quarter income hit a record $5.8 billion, with profits soaring to a historic high of $3 billion, a first for Singapore's banking industry. This is no small feat, and it's a testament to DBS's strength and resilience. SGX, more than just a stock exchange. Singapore Exchange, or SGX, has come a long way from its humble beginnings as a simple stock market operator. Today, it's a global trading powerhouse, and its share price has been soaring, up 24.6% this year to $12.20. But here's the thing, most investors are missing the bigger picture. SGX's daily forex trading volume has skyrocketed to an average of $111 billion, putting it in the same league as the world's major exchanges. That's a staggering number, and it's a testament to SGX's growing influence on the global stage. Now, let's talk about SGX's revenue diversification strategy. It's pure genius. They've cleverly expanded into commodities, and their iron ore trading volume has grown a whopping 52%, and that's not all. Their new Hong Kong and Thai depository receipts have unlocked massive cross-border trading opportunities. With a target of 6 to 8% annual revenue growth, SGX is positioning Singapore as the premier trading hub in Asia. It's an exciting time for investors, and I believe SGX is just getting started. As your trusted guide, I'll be keeping a close eye on their progress, and I recommend you do the same. The future of trading looks bright, and SGX is leading the charge. ST Engineering, the tech transformation story. The transformation of ST Engineering is a truly fascinating story. At 481, their stock price has risen an impressive 17.7% this year, and for good reason. They've evolved far beyond their engineering roots, and their $26.9 billion order book is a testament to the overwhelming demand for their cutting-edge solutions. And have you seen their new smart shipyard? It's a technological wonder, doubling their capacity and efficiency in one fell swoop. This is a company that's embracing innovation and pushing the boundaries of what's possible. But that's not all. ST Engineering is just getting started. Their recent $60 million contract for a smart city project in Qatar is just the tip of the iceberg. They're aiming high, targeting $11 billion in revenue by 2026, with a focus on aerospace, smart cities, and defense technology. And with their significant R&D investments in AI and robotics, they're positioning themselves perfectly for the future of engineering. I mean, who wouldn't want to be at the forefront of technological advancements in these fields? It's an exciting time for ST Engineering, and I'm eager to see how their story unfolds. As your trusted guide, I'll be keeping a close eye on their progress, and I recommend you do the same. Investment strategy and future outlook. Let's dive into the numbers and explore the investment strategy and future outlook for these incredible companies. When it comes to dividend yields, DBS offers an attractive 5.2%. SGX pays a solid 4.1%, and ST Engineering provides a respectable 3.5%. However, dividends are just one part of the story, my friends. These companies are investing heavily in digital transformation, which is where the real magic happens. DBS is spending a whopping $1.2 billion annually on technology. SGX is developing cutting-edge blockchain solutions, and ST Engineering is leading the charge in AI integration. This forward-thinking approach is setting them up for long-term success and positioning them as leaders in their respective fields. Now, let's talk about the global economic landscape for 2025. The projections are looking promising, with Singapore's GDP expected to grow by 3.5%. And here's the best part. These companies are perfectly positioned to benefit from increased regional trade and technological advancements. I mean, we're talking about a potential boom in economic growth, and these stocks are poised to reap the rewards with their strong fundamentals, innovative strategies, and favorable market conditions. I believe DBS, SGX, and ST Engineering are set for a bright future. As your trusted guide, I'll be keeping a close eye on their progress, and I recommend you do the same. The future of investing looks exciting, and I'm thrilled to be a part of it.